Umintri rang ba kajala u Konrad ke sangma ha ka arpenyo trik nailar ula ong baka sorkar kala penyo ya ka song jingarap shekilong ying jo ke sangut kilanot ki baklan ha ka jakat bela ha Lapalang shlong ling ba ka chief minister's special grant CMSG but kamshim kwa ban pen pau perthei ya ka ni ka jingaram ya ka ni ula pen pau hapo ka ying dor bar thau an ha bajubab ya ka jingkano jong president ka voice of the people party VPP uba arden mila besayman bana kaliang ka sorkar kala kentat pen ai song jingarap shekilong ying jong kitikilanon ki baklat ha ka jakatre u konrad ula ong baka song jingarap ha ka SDMF kadai ka balamang bethik na kabenta ki jingja sha penjulor ha ki bor maryang ka bahap po ka state disaster response fund SDRF but kam day ka bala ban pendan kam ha ki wepat ki jingja accident Henry ulaong baka CMSG kamdan satya kanu ka kendon bakerpang namar teng-teng ki daw jong ki jingja ki apher ka waina ka waipan ulaong ru balong ka ba shibon namar shisien belas dang ban kershan ni kino ki jingja accident kan kelalong ka rukam bat ka hok ladadan kanu ka jingja kanong rim ka jongi kalong ban trei khambun bat penduna ka ktien ngila ya ka song jingaram Henry ngim kwa ban pen he yo ne ban pen bana par thei ka jing pen I da ka kam ka de ka bakham kong san ban ya ka ba pen mi khubor ling ba ka ta ka jingjia de na ka ta ka daw balei ba u khat ka ying dor bar bat kilat thai khubor kim dan jing tep halor ka ne ong u konran uba arden ulapen phai nia da ka ba ong bakum u khat badan jingkit khle upen pau ya ka ne da ka ba pen shong nongrim ling ba kilat thai khubor but come day bagi kwa ban keren bun but traduna.
In connection with the workplace accident where 5 victims were denied ex-Gratia. So this is not a matter of compensation only. However, sir, it is a matter of partiality as far as the denial of payment of ex-Gratia assistance to victims of well asphyxiation is concerned. So we know that 5 persons have reportedly become victims of a workplace accident. Behind every victim, we know, is a family that may have lost its principal breadwinner, its source of income, and in some cases, sir, its only hope for the future. So the government must explain why ex-Gratia assistance was denied. We all know that the government has extended an ex-Gratia assistance to the victims of coal mines blast that took place on the 14th January 2026 at illegal rat hole mines in the Minsngat-Tangsko area in East Jaintia Hills. And similar assistance had reportedly been given to the victims of fire incidents that took place at hotel near the Rapid Temple in West Bengal on August 17. However, sir, victims who lost their lives inside a well at Lapalang were denied. So the matter raises serious questions regarding the criteria and policy adopted by the government for extending ex-Gratia assistance to victims of such tragic incidents. Families who have lost their breadwinners and loved ones in such circumstances are left in a state of immense hardship and distress. So I therefore urge the government to clarify the basis on which ex-Gratia assistance has been sanctioned in one case but denied in another, and to state whether there is any uniform policy or set of guidelines governing such payments. So I further urge the government to sympathetically reconsider the case of the victims of the Lapalang incident and extend appropriate ex-Gratia assistance to their bereaved families so that they are not deprived of relief merely because of differences in circumstances or classification of the incidents. So I feel that the House deserves a clear and transparent explanation from the government on this matter. With these few words, sir, I resume my seat. Sri Konrad K. Sangma, Honorable Chief Minister, to reply, please.
Sir, at the very outset, I would like to thank the Honorable Member from Nongkrem for having raised this call attention, as it is giving an opportunity to the government to clarify on this very important matter. Sir, I would like to inform the Honorable Member and the House and the public at large that ex-Gratia, not from the SDMF fund, but from the Chief Minister's Special Development Fund, or rather Chief Minister's Special Grant, CMSG, ex-Gratia has been released to these families. So it's incorrect information that ex-Gratia has not been given. Ex-Gratia has been given from the Chief Minister's Special Grant. I would like to further clarify that the normal ex-Gratia that we refer to, which comes under the SDMF, under the disaster management, is utilized exclusively for the purpose of mitigation projects in respect of natural disaster covered under the State Disaster Response Fund. And therefore, it is difficult for us, when accidents take place, to announce ex-Gratia because of the very specific definition and the specific purpose under which the ex-Gratia of the SDMF can be used. However, as I mentioned, sir, that there is a fund under the Chief Minister's Secretariat, which is called the Chief Minister's Special Grant, and in different circumstances, based on circumstances, there is no specific guidelines on the amount for that, because circumstances differ. Based on the circumstances, the Chief Minister is at liberty to give the ex-Gratia. But as I said, sir, it is very sensitive and complicated issue for us, because it sometimes becomes difficult to assess, the accidents that take place because of circumstances, and different kind of accidents and classification of accidents, if I may. Because once we start the precedent of supporting accidents, then it becomes a norm, and it becomes an entitlement in one way, where any kind of accident that takes place, then there is an expectation that CMSG fund will be used. Therefore, it's very difficult. It's a very narrow kind of a space in which we are trying to function. And as I said, it's not possible for us in all circumstances and all accidents to start giving ex-Gratia of CMSG. And that is why we do what we do, sir, without talking much, as our Honorable Minister Veterinary, his principle is very clear. He always mentions in all the speeches, his conclusion is saying that we act more, we talk less, and we act more. So we gave the money, sir, but we did not make it a big news. That's not how we function. We feel that it was important to support them. We realized the circumstances under which these families were. We realized the kind of circumstances under which this incident occurred. And therefore, we ensured that the government supported them. And as I said, under the CMSG, without making any noise about it, without going to the public, without having a social media Insta reel or something on it, we quietly help them, because we believe that our actions are more important than making a news out of it. Maybe that's why Honorable Member, as well as the media houses, did not come to hear about it. But let me assure you, sir, we are here to help our people in whatever way possible, and we ensure that wherever we can. Sometimes it's not possible because the circumstances are quite complicated, where government coming in would, again, as a set precedence in the future. We have to balance it. But as mentioned, sir, for us, we went into this, and we have given the support from CMSG. And as I said, we did not make a big deal out of it. We did not go to media, but we have quietly given the amount to the family members, sir. Thank you very much.